an event and just felt the magnitude of success. For example, went in with no expectation whatsoever. I was like, if we raise $5, great. If we don't, I'm happy either way. So we set a goal to, I think it might have been $4,000 was a very lofty goal for the school that I was at. And after doing the Health Moves Minds fundraiser and the initiatives and talking about the full body SEL, all the things, the culture of change and the buy-in from our parents was incredible. And we raised actually $8,000 that very first event that I did. And again, we got to hang up a rock wall together as a school, and my kids had ownership in that goal. And it was really just incredible, the change and the easiness of it compared to the event that I had done the 8 years prior. And I am deeply rooted in the American Heart Association down here. The school that I'm at now has done the Jump Rope for Heart, Kids Heart Challenge, whatever name it's had, for 30 years. Okay, we got 30 banners up here. And so, but I believe in the program and the fact that the kids who give the money and raise the money are going to benefit from the money. I agreed to still donate some of the money back to the American Heart Association, and still continue that good work. And as far as recruitment goes, again, I've moved to a place where nobody had ever heard of this program. And, I'm the type of person that if I know something that's working well and good, I want to share. I'm a sharer. Okay. So I have, just reached out to the people that are in my elementary professional learning community and just told them about the program and said, hey, listen, like, I will support you. I will do whatever you need me to do. But this is the program. This is what your kids need. This is what your kids deserve. This is what your families need and deserve. And as far as contributing to the charity, one of the components of Health Moves Minds is that LCL curriculum and practicing kindness and preaching kindness. And so when we were able to select a charity of our choice, we talked about how paying it forward and helping those in this way and showing kindness and donating a percentage of our funds forward to this charity, still continuing that kindness initiative. And, we were putting kind post-it notes all over the school halls for each other and just being able to celebrate that component as well. So, and I know when you exclusively do another fundraising event, you don't always get that opportunity to practice what you preach. So based upon just simple feedback and conversations that we've had in the schools that I have recruited, first would be how easy it is. And they loved the freedom and the autonomy they had to just kind of make it whatever they wanted in their brain. And that's what we always encourage. Like, there's not one set way to do this. Like, you can make it what you want, as big or small as you want, whatever you want to do, that's what you should do, so they love the freedom that they had. And second would be, I guess, the successful margin of it. They went in with a goal, and all of the schools that I've recruited so far have all exceeded the goal that they set. Now they're super excited that they're like, I'm going to get to pick other things besides, just a soccer goal I wanted to buy. So I think that those would definitely be the two feedback pieces that I've received.